Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your headphones Soundcore Q20i with a cable. All you need to have is just a mini jack to mini jack cable. And of course your phone should have this port also. Now connect mini jack to mini jack port on your right ear cup and the second one to your phone. And we can see this headphones icon, so it means that it's connected. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!